Hello guys, welcome to Random Fandom. Today we'll be replacing the CMOS battery on a RAZER Blade Advanced 15-inch 2018 laptop. That is what the package of the CMOS battery looks like. Obviously you don't want to swallow it, it's not good for you. Anyway, there are 10 screws on the bottom of the laptop. They're small and tiny, so you don't want to lose them. But you want to be sure to get all of them removed before you remove the bottom lid. Through the magic of video editing, you won't have to watch me remove all 10 screws manually. That is what the screw looks like. You see it's very small, so don't lose track of them. This video is being filmed with me holding my phone in one hand and doing all the work with the other hand, so you can watch me struggle a little bit as I remove the bottom lid. You can see me pointing out the tab on the bottom lid. I'll show you that a little bit later. But you also see the orange blob at the bottom there. That is some thermal putty that I recently installed because I bought this laptop used and it was running hot. You want to make sure to disconnect the main battery, and then you can disconnect the CMOS battery by gently pulling out the connector sideways. Then you can wiggle back and forth gently the CMOS battery until it comes loose from its double-sided sticky tape. If Roam Tech sends you the wrong battery, then they will ask you to send them a picture of what your battery looks like so they can send you a replacement that is correct for your laptop. The battery comes with a limited 1-year warranty as well. So there's a closer look at the battery. You can see the special connector. And the double-sided sticky tape. There it is sitting next to the old battery for comparison. So now you can gently plug in the battery as shown. And then you can remove the bottom protective cover of the double-sided sticky tape. Of course, doing everything one-handed makes it a little bit harder, but that's just how I have to film the videos for now. So now I'm going to put the battery on the white spot of the laptop and then press it down until it sticks on real good. Again, the orange stuff that you see on the left is my thermal putty that I recently installed. Of course, before I put the lid back on, I will get that all smoothened out so that there's no air bubbles, but I don't show that in this video. There's the little tab I was talking about. Gotta make sure to line that up with the bottom of the case there so that the case lid will go on properly. Of course, don't forget to plug in the main battery, otherwise you might find your laptop doesn't turn on. Now I can put on the bottom lid, making sure to line up the little tab, and then I can put this 10 screws back in place. You want to make sure that you don't get the screws cross-threaded or you can damage the screws or your laptop. So I'll go ahead and I'll screw all those back in and you won't have to watch me do all that. But anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.